Parents, what is the worst thing you have ever told your child? When I was 21, my girlfriend got pregnant. Scared or not, I married her and did my best. For 8 years, I worked, went to school, and spent every free moment with my son. He was my world. My own father never cared about me, so I swore I'd be different. Money was tight, but we made the best of it. Weekend adventures, time with my family, he loved it. Or at least, I thought he did. Then, around 10 years old, things changed. His mom had a new boyfriend, a rich one. At first, I figured the fancy vacations and gifts were just a phase, but he started canceling our weekends. 1 month turned into 3, then 6. Calls ignored, visits refused. I begged, I fought. I took my ex to court for parental alienation. I lost. Walking out of the courtroom, her lawyer made me an offer. Drop child support in exchange for giving up my rights. I refused, until my own son told me to my face he wanted the other man to be his dad. He didn't even blink, just said it like I was a stranger. That moment nearly killed me. I drank until my body gave up, landed in the hospital, and clawed my way back with years of therapy. Eventually, I moved away, built a new life, and met my wife. Her son pulled me out of my shell, and when he asked me to adopt him at 18, it was the proudest moment of my life. Then, 2 weeks ago, a knock on my door. I saw his face through the glass. "Hey, Dad," he said. I looked at him, shook my head, and said, "I have 2 sons, and you're not one of them." Then I shut the door.